So now we're gonna set up Superman punch. It's actually from a Muay Thai style of fighting, but the reason this is good, I haven't seen it too much in traditional boxing. I've seen it a lot in MMA, I've seen it in Muay Thai. What it does is it closes the distance a lot quicker for you, and there's a lot more force coming in. So typically you can throw the Superman punch off either hand, but typically you're gonna throw it off your rear hand, the cross hand, the power hand. So, as I set it up, I'm on my front foot. I'm going to lean into my front foot, I'm hopping off. And as I do that, I bring my back leg up and I kick it back for that extra momentum as I'm throwing the punch forward. So again, hands up, blocking the face, my weight's on my front foot. It's like I'm picking up this knee first, and as I kick it back, I'm going to hop on the foot, throw the power punch. Simple as that. I'm just getting that momentum to kick back. So one more time, a little quicker. I'm here, I bring it up. And again, that'll close distance a lot quicker. It'll get you hit your opponent if you want to follow up with some other punches to finish.
And then the knee thing you do, is that a deception move, or is it just?
No, it's just to get the momentum. I'm bringing it up. It's kind of giving me that momentum, that extra kick if you want. It's that extra kick. And again, like I said, it can come off the front hand too. Obviously, if I'm throwing the Superman punch off the front arm, now I'm jumping off the back leg, bringing that knee up, kicking it back as I throw through. So either side, you're going to use that knee as the momentum to throw through. So either the back hand or the front hand, side to side. Superman punch again, that is where we use the power to get the distance, leg up, and I pop through, leg up, pop through, leg up, pop through. Again, off of both legs, side to side.